welcome to Pergola Nurseries. I love the Korean hoe. It's an excellent tool for digging with, far easier than struggling with a trowel, and a great weeding tool as well. So if you want to get underneath weeds and pull them out, it's a great tool to have in your wheelbarrow. Now we're planting today a lovely cushion flock, and it's a cushion flock called Emerald Cushion Blue. That's Emerald Cushion Blue. Flowers 4 months and comes back, of course, year after year. And we've a bit of rough stonework, and the idea is just want something to spill over the stonework here. And once it gets a reasonable amount of light, it goes very well, so it's easy to manage, totally winter hardy. Now, of course, look at a reasonable sized planting hoe here. Broke up the soil with the Korean hoe, and we're going to mix in a little bit of Super Thrive planting fertilizer at the bottom. That's a handful of Super Thrive gone in there at the bottom. So mix that in. A slowly release for the plants. That's Super Thrive. And Super Thrive is a very important fertilizer when you're planting your plants. It reduces transplant shock and is slowly released for the plants themselves. A little handful of Swellwell compost as well. No excuse, this cushion flock will do very, very well. So now that's a nice mix there for it. So out it comes out of his pot. So this is Emerald Cushion Blue. So and settle them in there. The idea is just going to spill around this area. We'll spread 60-70 centimeters and just hide this rough bit of stonework here and be quite happy scrambling around this area, and it'll be here for years and years to come, rewarding us with lots of lilac to blue flowers over green foliage. So that's a cushion flock, and that's a cushion flock called Emerald Cushion Blue, settled in there for years and years to come. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.